The following video is for both right-hand and left-hand rotation V8 25-inch model units. Open the gear case kit and confirm all of the contents using the supplied lower unit setup manual. The gear case serial number is located under the cap or trim tab area. If there is a letter L stamped under the serial number, this indicates it is a left-hand or counter-rotation unit. For all models, be sure to record the gear case serial number for registration purposes. Before proceeding, be sure you have the proper tools, sealants, and lubricants handy. Refer to the lower unit setup manual for a list of these items. The gear case should be mounted in an upright position in a secure manner. A lower unit stand is preferable. Ensure the gear case is in the neutral position by turning the prop shaft. It should turn freely. Use shift rod push arm special tool to rotate the shift rod to neutral if necessary. Obtain 2 dowel pins from the parts kit and install them into the appropriate locations on the gear case. It may be necessary to lightly tap the dowel pins in order to properly seat them. Using Yamaha gasket maker, apply a very light bead to the gear case flange. Using Yamalube marine grease, lightly coat the shift shaft splines. Using WR grease number 2, lightly coat the drive shaft splines. The engine should be mounted on the boat or a suitable engine stand and tilted to the appropriate angle for ease of installation. A caution: the V8 gear case is very heavy and may require 2 persons to install onto the exhaust housing. Install the gear case assembly onto the exhaust housing. It may be necessary to have someone rotate the flywheel clockwise using the flywheel holder or a lifting eye to aid in aligning the drive shaft splines into the crankshaft. Ensure that the shift shaft in the exhaust housing aligns with the shift rod in the gear case, and that the water pipe in the exhaust housing is properly aligned with the water pipe in the extension housing. These steps are critical for the correct operation of the shifting and cooling systems on this engine. The gear case should be installed flush against the housing before installing the mounting bolts. Do not use the mounting bolts to seat the gear case. Apply Quick Sticks 561 or Loctite 572 to the gear case mounting bolts. Install and torque to 35 foot-pounds. Apply Quick Sticks 561 or 572 to the anode mounting bolt and install the anode into the gear case housing and torque to 31 foot-pounds. Apply 271 Loctite, the red thread locker, to the cap mounting bolt and install the cap onto the gear case housing and torque the bolt to 31 foot-pounds. With the key on and the engine off, verify proper shift operation using the control box. It may be necessary to rotate the prop shaft to fully engage all shifting. If the unit fails to shift into any gear, it is possible that the shift rod was not aligned properly during the installation. Remove the gear case and confirm alignment. With engine running, verify water pump operation, that water is flowing from the overboard indicator after a short delay. Overall gear case operation should be smooth and quiet, no knocking or abnormal sounds.